Hi y'all, welcome back to another week of Publix deals. We've got some really great things that we're going to get this week at Publix, especially if you are needing some cleaning supplies. Everything we're going to get today is BOGO plus a digital coupon on top of it. So this week would be a great week to stock up. Make sure you've downloaded the Publix app and clipped your digital coupons, and also the Ibotta app, because we are going to be submitting over to Ibotta for a few dollars back. Let's go. First up, we're going to grab these Brawny. These are the 6 equals 12 paper towels. They're on sale this week for $9.99. There is a digital coupon for $2 off and an Ibotta rebate for $2 off. So that's going to leave you to pay $5.99. Ritz crackers are BOGO this week. They are $4.40 each. There is a fetch rebate back for $1.60 on 2. So that's going to leave you to pay $2.80 for both, or $1.40 a piece. Lysol wipes are BOGO this week for $6.23. I had a digital coupon for 75 cents, and I also had a digital coupon for $1. So that left me to pay $4.48 for both, or $2.24 each. Clorox cleaner is on sale this week, 2 for $9. So if you pick 2 up, there is a digital coupon that you can use for one of them, and there is a printable coupon off of coupons.com that you can use on the other one. So that's going to give you $2 in savings, leaving you to pay $7 for both, or $3.50 a piece. Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom cleaner is BOGO this week for $4.99. Same thing as the Clorox. There's a digital coupon for $1 and a printable coupon for $1 off of coupons.com. That's going to leave you to pay $2.99 for both, or $1.49 each, which is a really great stock-up price. Palmolive dish soap is BOGO this week for $4.99, and these are the big boys. They are $4.99. With a digital coupon, you have $1 off, leaving you to pay $3.99 for both, or $1.99 each. Airwick refills are BOGO this week. There's different, flavors, and there's different price points. There is a digital coupon that you can print for $1 off of 2 on coupons.com. So that's going to leave you to pay $5.49 for both, or $2.74 each. If you haven't used this fresh dishwasher cleaner, use it. I love it. It works fantastic. It is BOGO this week for $8.49. We do have a $2 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $6.49 for both, or $3.24 each. Allegra is on promotion this week, and if you pick one up, there's going to be a $5 instant savings once you check out. So I picked up one for $16.99. That $5 will come off at the register. There was a Blinky coupon box right in front of mine in my store for $3 off, and there's a digital coupon in the app for $5 off. All of that came off, and that left me to pay $3.99. Pillsbury crescent rolls and cinnamon rolls are BOGO this week. They are $4.19. There is a $1 off digital coupon that will come off at the register, leaving you to pay $3.19 for both, or $1.59. It's spring break, so this will be a quick breakfast that I can throw together for my kids. Chobani multi-packs are BOGO this week for $5.89, and you know it, these are my son's favorite ones, so we gotta get them when they're on sale, especially if there's a digital coupon for $1 off. That's gonna leave you to pay $4.89 for both, or $2.44 each. Cafe Bustelo, this espresso, cold brew, is on sale this week, BOGO, for $5.99. There is an Ibotta rebate back that's going to give you back $2.50 on each. So that's $5 in savings. That's going to leave you to pay 99 cents for both, or 49 cents each. Springer Mountain Farms chicken is BOGO this week for $4.49. There are the chicken breasts that are BOGO and this ground chicken. So I went ahead and picked up this ground chicken for $4.49. There is a printable coupon that you can get sent to your email from their website. That's going to leave you to pay $2.99 for both, or $1.49 each. If you haven't used your Smithfield 5 off of 20 coupon, this is a great week to do it. I picked up 4 of these ham steaks for $3.99 and 2 of the diced hams for $3.99. Total for all 6 would be $23.94 before the BOGO sale. After the BOGO sale, that's going to be $11.97. That $5 coupon is going to come off, leaving me to pay $6.97 for all 6, or $1.16 each. Okay, you guys, so let's take a look at our receipt. This is everything we got today in our Publix haul. All of our digital coupons came off, and all of our printable coupons came off. We saved $106.55 on BOGO sale, printable coupons, and digital coupons. So that left me to pay $72.85 before tax at the register. We also submitted to Ibotta and we got $5 back for the Cafe Bustelo and $2 back for the Brawny. And then we went ahead and submitted over to Fetch. We got our $1.60 back for the Ritz crackers. And I am tracking towards a reward for the Pillsbury and 25 cents just for uploading to Fetch. We ended up saving $114.24 on 30 items. We spent $64.25. So that's about $214 a piece for each of these items. We got some great cleaning supplies that we get to stock up on, and then we also got some other things that we can just keep in the freezer or in the fridge for some, quick things to add to dinners or breakfast. I think it's a really great week at Publix this week. Let me know what you guys end up getting, how much you're saving. Thank you so much for coming back and watching. I really appreciate it. It makes me so happy to know that I'm helping, just in the slightest, that you guys are able to save some money on your ever-growing grocery bill every week. So thank you again. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next week.